High-strength concrete versus normal-strength concrete. Which one should you use? Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, your go-to channel for civil and structural engineering insights. If you're passionate about construction and structural innovation, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Concrete is one of the most widely used materials in construction, but not all concrete is the same. Two of the most common types are high-strength concrete, HSC, and normal-strength concrete, NSC. But what sets them apart, and when should you use one over the other? Let's break it down. What is normal-strength concrete, NSC? Normal-strength concrete typically has a compressive strength ranging from 20 to 40 MPa, 3,000 to 6,000 psi. It is commonly used in residential buildings, sidewalks, pavements, and low-rise structures. Advantages of normal-strength concrete. Easy to work with. NSC has good workability, making it easier to mix, transport, and place. Cost-effective. Since it requires fewer additives and special techniques, NSC is generally more affordable. Sufficient for many applications. For low to mid-rise buildings, roads, and general construction, NSC provides adequate strength. However, NSC has lower durability and strength compared to high-strength concrete. It is more susceptible to cracking, weathering, and long-term wear and tear in harsh conditions. What is high-strength concrete, HSC? High-strength concrete has a compressive strength above 50 MPa, 7,000 psi, and can reach up to 100 MPa, 14,500 psi, or more. It is used in high-rise buildings, bridges, dams, and heavy-load structures where extra strength is required. Advantages of high-strength concrete. A higher load-bearing capacity. HSC can support greater loads, making it ideal for tall buildings and long-span bridges. Increased durability. It is more resistant to wear, freeze-thaw cycles, and chemical attacks, making it suitable for harsh environments. Reduced structural size. Because of its high strength, less material is needed, allowing for thinner columns and lighter structures. Lower maintenance costs. HSC structures tend to last longer, requiring less frequent repairs and replacements. However, high-strength concrete requires advanced mix designs, special curing techniques, and higher quality materials, making it more expensive and difficult to work with than NSC. Key differences and applications. Compressive strength. NSC ranges from 20 to 40 MPa, while HSC exceeds 50 MPa, making it stronger and more durable. Cost and availability. NSC is cheaper and easier to produce, while HSC requires specialized materials and techniques. Durability. HSC is highly resistant to environmental conditions, while NSC degrades faster over time. Construction use. NSC is suitable for houses, sidewalks, and low-rise buildings. HSC is ideal for high-rise buildings, bridges, and structures exposed to extreme conditions. Workability. NSC is easier to mix, pour, and finish, while HSC requires advanced handling techniques. Which one is the better choice? The right choice depends on project requirements. If you need cost-effective and easy-to-use concrete for regular structures, normal-strength concrete is the way to go. If you require superior strength, durability, and long-term performance, high-strength concrete is the better option, especially for skyscrapers, bridges, and extreme environments. Conclusion. Both normal-strength concrete and high-strength concrete have their uses in construction. NSC is affordable and easy to use, while HSC provides exceptional strength and durability for demanding projects. Engineers choose the right type based on load requirements, environmental conditions, and cost constraints. Want to learn more about construction materials and engineering innovations? Subscribe to Blueprint to Reality and stay updated on the latest insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you in the next one.